So I wanted to take a moment to talk about the sliding scale commission structures, or sometimes people call them success fee commission structures in the industry, and why I have a real problem with it. And I've drawn this beautiful diagram so you can see what I'm talking about. For example, we'll talk about what happened during COVID. During COVID, we'd have a homeowner that thought their home was worth $760,000, and it was back at some point. But because we had such a high demand from buyers, their property prices were going up. The agent would sell it for $800,000. Very similar to that in timeline, that agent would meet another homeowner. House was very similar. And what would happen is this homeowner also had a previous perception of value of $760,000. However, the agent knew they had a high demand of buyers and they had a list of buyers lined up, all of which were going to pay this. So what they did is they went into this homeowner and said, right, at $760,000 at a sale price up to this, my commission will be 2.5%. However, anything over this, I'm going to charge 20 cents to the dollar as a success fee. Now that homeowner's thinking, wow, this is amazing. They're going to be incentivized. They're going to try to get me as much money as possible. However, the moral dilemma we have is they already had those buyers lined up. So this house, by this time that this sold, this would sell for about $820,000. So between this figure and this figure, they would get 20 cents to the dollar. And what was happening over COVID is there were some agents pocketing in excess of $60,000 extra commission from homeowners because they already knew they had buyers lined up and they already knew where the property prices were going to be. But they didn't disclose this to the homeowners.